Okay, you've got some of the stuff going pretty well. I think the some of the up and down momentum isn't quite right, and it sort of slows down and speeds up in an odd way. So let's look at those two things in the Maya file. Um, so I'll just look at the graph editor. And if I isolate the Y translate curve, I can see, for example, you don't want here it's like slowing down right before it hits the ground, but it should keep accelerating straight right up to the ground. So that should come up like that. And similarly here. And I might scale that down a little bit. And then, yeah, fix this one up. And let's see if we notice any difference. I think there's a little bit more bounce to it. And now let's check out that forward momentum. Um, so you can see how it's kind of going in these two, and then suddenly here it kind of speeds up, and then maybe slows down a little there. So I would just get this, more of a continuously straight line. Yeah, it's looking a little better. Okay, let's. Okay, now this is not looking good. This is wrong in many ways, and it doesn't look like a realistic ball or one that's drawn from reference at all. So, you know, I don't know what kind of ball you're going for, or but it doesn't look realistic. And the first of all, one of the biggest things is the again that wide translate curve, but this one's much worse. Again, all of these should be broken. It doesn't look like you've adjusted tangents at all. All of these should be broken, and you got to move these up. And just that'll go a long way. I'm just left mouse marquee selecting and then middle mouse dragging to rotate these. And then it's like it's better, but there's no rotation, there's no the bounces, each one should be smaller than the last. There's just very little attention paid to this one. So cartoony one was mostly good. This one in no way looks like a realistic ball. The idea was to use like a real ball and observe how it moves or look at a video of a bouncing ball and try to match that, but this doesn't match any kind of real ball.